So I got the grill in. It's not in permanently because I have to patch up that corner of the headlight bezel surround because I broke the tab off that. And there's another tab that's broken down there. I didn't do that, that was already done. So I just got to see if the clip will stay. Then there's two there and there's one in the bottom. Again, that I gotta check that out and see if I can get the clip to stay, because that one was, when I took it apart, a little ear came off, but it was broken in the clip. Anyway, so that is the 442 grill installed, the bumper cleaned up, and I just gotta make a couple of repairs on the plastic headlight surrounds, just so that I can get at least another clip on this side, repair the bottom corner, and try and get the clip on the bottom on that. I think that'll be fine though, that corner. Anyway, that is the 442 grill installed. And then I just went over this rad support with the steel wool, cleaned it up a little bit. There's some surface rust. I'm just going to leave it. I just wanted to make it look a little better. I might get something that I can put on the paint that will just make it look a little better without having to repaint anything. I don't want to do that. Anyway, that is the grill replacement on the 68 442.